Do you want to learn how to be respectful in the relationship? Then here are simple 3 ways. Step number 1. Respect your partner's contribution. Who doesn't like appreciation? So does your partner. If your partner is doing something good to you, which I'm sure he or she must be doing, go appreciate him or her. If he or she is doing the household chores or bringing money in the house or even adding fun and joy in your relationship, go appreciate your partner. And you can do that in simple 4 statements. You can say, I really love when you do these chores for me, for our house. They mean so much to me because I feel so easy and relaxed and supported when you do that. And because of that, I'm able to concentrate on my work and also take care of you in the evening. Now, some people say that there's no need for saying sorry or thank you in a relationship. They are mistaken. If you also think the same way, I have a question for you. Do not you appreciate a waiter who pulls a chair in the restaurant for you? Ask yourself, why do you do that? Why do you say a thank you to that waiter, to that stranger? Now, acknowledging your own partner is so important. If you can acknowledge the emotions and effort of the other, of some stranger, why not to your own partner? Step number 2. Respect the partner's different personality. All of us have different mental makeups, different meaning-making systems, the way we make meaning out of anything, and different worldviews, how we perceive the world that we live in. And we learn all of these different things observing our families, observing the culture that we live in, and the rituals that we see when we are growing up. We all have a set of values that we live with, and so does your partner. If your partner does not like to be living an organized life or be living in a set of rules, if you push your partner, you're not respecting him or her. Now, that doesn't mean that you should live uncomfortably. You have all the rights to live the life the way you want to live. But that doesn't mean that your partner is supposed to be living your way. If you do not hold entitlement on your partner and support him or her to live his or her individuality, then you're respecting your partner. You can live your couple life with your partner and at the same time live your own individual lives also. For example, if your partner does not like bowling, you're not supposed to push him or her to do bowling. Maybe you can both go to a joint where you can enjoy your bowling if you like it, and where you get pizzas also. If your partner loves pizzas, you can feed amazing pizza to your partner while not bothering him or her for playing bowling. This way, you're respecting your partner's individuality in true sense. Step number 3. Respectful communication. You can have a respectful communication with your partner only when you have respect in your heart for your partner, which means you think and feel good about your partner. Yet at the same time, there can be a difference of opinion. No 2 people can think the same or have the same thoughts throughout their lives. It's not realistic. You are a living being, so is your partner. Your partner may think differently than you at so many points in time throughout the day. So instead of getting into that tug of war or proving your opinion right, you can stop for a while, have patience, have acceptance that you need to resolve that difference of opinion and find out a midway that's okay to both of you. If you do not do that, the difference of opinion can turn into an argument and blow out of proportion. Now that's not respect. So if you see that something is going out of proportion, you can halt for a while and gently go to your partner and say, I really love you and I think this discussion is not going good. I'm going to fetch a cup of coffee for myself. Do you want some? And we can discuss this topic after when I come back. Hope that's okay to you. I really want to solve this and I want to find a midway that suits both of us. How does that sound? Now, when your partner sees that you are halting and respectfully taking a break, he or she will also calm down and allow that space for both of you. Respectful communication includes validating both the sides, both the opinions, listening actively without any distractions not looking at your phone, not interrupting when the other is saying, using the right words when you're saying something, focusing on the solutions, focusing on becoming a team, than proving your points. And you need to be respectful in this. When you create this culture, your partner will notice that and also start supporting you in maintaining that culture. Your partner will start imitating your behavior. If you are respectful, your partner will be respectful in communication with you. It does not matter that you find the mutual solution that suits both of you or not. What matters is how you treated your partner when there was a difference of opinion. People remember emotional experience. They remember how they are treated, not the word or the topic. If relationship is a plant, respect is the soil where that plant grows up. And of course, you need to nurture that plant with love. But still, respect is the base where it all starts from. We at Mind Tigers offer personalized one-to-one coaching program where we train you on doing the right things and building that right habit to create a love-filled relationship. You get a personal trainer who handholds you for 49 days and teaches you those right habits by doing simple 5-minute daily assignments. So do like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the notification icon so that you can get to know about our next videos. Till then, good luck!